The MAG B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 motherboard is designed to meet the needs of gamers and PC builders who want solid performance without overspending. Built around the Intel B660 chipset, it supports 12th Gen Intel Core processors with the LGA 1700 socket, offering a great balance of power and features for modern gaming setups. What sets this motherboard apart is its 12+1+1 Duet Rail Power System, featuring dual 8-pin connectors and Core Boost technology. This setup ensures stable and efficient power delivery to your CPU, even under demanding gaming conditions. The digital PWM IC and dedicated power phases keep your system running smoothly during intense workloads. Memory performance is another highlight. With support for up to 4 DDR4 DIMMs running at 4800 MHz plus overclocked, the MAG B660 Tomahawk offers a fully isolated DDR circuit to deliver clean data signals. MSI's memory boost technology and XMP profiles make it easy to optimize your RAM for faster speeds and better stability, which translates into smoother gameplay and quicker load times. Cooling isn't overlooked either. The board features an extended VRM heatsink with high-quality thermal pads, a premium 6-layer PCB with thickened copper for improved heat dissipation, and M.2 shield frozer to prevent SSD thermal throttling. Plus, multiple fan headers, including a dedicated pump fan header, allow you to customize your cooling setup for maximum efficiency. Connectivity options are solid with 5G LAN, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5. 2 built-in, ensuring fast and reliable networking whether you're gaming online or streaming. Expansion slots include a PCIe 4.0x16 slot with steel armor for your graphics card and support for AMD Crossfire with an additional PCIe 3.0x16 slot. Users appreciate this board for its straightforward BIOS that simplifies enabling XMP profiles, allowing even first-time builders to boost memory speeds without hassle. The board's clean, functional design avoids flashy RGB but still looks sharp inside any build. With 6 fan headers, it offers plenty of room to expand your cooling options down the line. If you're looking for a dependable motherboard that supports the latest Intel processors and offers robust power, memory, and cooling features, the MAG B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 deserves a close look. It's a practical choice that balances performance with value, making it ideal for gamers and PC enthusiasts ready to build or upgrade. Try the MAG B660 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 when you're ready to step up your gaming rig. With its reliable power delivery, advanced cooling, and versatile connectivity, it's built to handle today's demanding games and tomorrow's upgrades without breaking the bank.